One of the most interesting features of INET projects is the possibility to receive notifications whenever a document or a comment is uploaded in the interest groups that you are a member of. In order to activate the notification service, go to the interest group you want to be notified from and click on Subscribe to Notifications in the Notifications section. You can now choose to receive a notification from the whole interest group, the whole library, or a subsection of the library. You can now select from different types of notifications. You can now review all of your notification subscriptions by returning to the main INET projects page and clicking on the Memberships section. Here you can find all the details in the section at the bottom of the page.